what do you do when a normal Raptor is not enough? Introducing Shelby Raptor. Do it. Okay, so now we have here Oxford White 2019 Raptor Shelby Baja edition. So we're not going to go into deep about the actual Raptor specs because obviously you could find many videos on YouTube for that. We're going to laser focus on exactly what do you get for a Shelby Baja edition, or what does it come with that would make this truck a little more special. First of all, I believe they only made like a limited amount of these. Okay, as you can see, here are the Shelby lettering right there. Let everybody know it's a Shelby, it's not a regular Raptor. We go down a little bit, the Ford logo is now in white, not just black, or usually it's black. Then when you go down a little bit, you get that light bar down here. And of course, go a little lower, that's another badging of Shelby right there. Actually, if you were driving and you look at your rear view mirror, you probably can see it. This truck looks like a monster, actually. So as you and of course they had to move this sensor here to here. I believe it's like down below on the stock one, and they have to move it up here due to this bumper, or cage bumper, whatever you call that thing. And of course you get Shelby tires. I'm sorry, not tires, wheels. I apologize for that. And obviously brake calipers, pretty big back here as well. Now if we open the door, comes with the actual floor, mechanical floor. I don't know what you call these, but anyway, they come down. Floorboard, sorry, mechanical floorboards. And the same for the other side as well. And it goes back in once you close the door. You also get light bar up here. Okay, and it's also mechanical. Here's a button here. It's a button right there that would actually move it up or down. Let me see if I can do that right now. This is all the way back down. It's kind of slow, but the truck doesn't need to be on for it to do this, so that's kind of nice. That goes all the way down. That's gonna come all the way up, and you can adjust or have it, point down or up any way you want. There you go. You can have it like even more lean forward, and that's kind of cool, actually. And of course you get the tires, additional tires. So you get the additional tires, 1, 2 back here. There's one more down here as well. There. So total of basically 7 tires on this truck. And back here you get the actual back cage bumper. I call it cage bumper because it's kind of like that, And of course the LED light here as well. Very blinding, by the way, when you turn those on. And I believe the exhaust is also upgraded as well. Let's see. Of course you get the cage in the back. Can't miss those. That's instantly when you see that, it's Shelby Raptor. Unless it's a regular Raptor, that customized their truck, but once you order, it's got to be a Shelby. You can do anything to it, but if it's not a Shelby, it's not a Shelby, right? And here are the shock suspension, which is new for 2019. Now they have active dampers on them. Let me go to come in the front as well. Basically, it would monitor the road conditions, and self adjust automatically without you having to play with it. It's kind of automated that way. And let me back up a little bit, get a full shot of this truck. This one mean cool looking truck, just too cool. And obviously the badging is everywhere. You got Shelby back here, Shelby here, of course in the back everywhere. The thing about Shelby Baja is that you're gonna get a lot of badges, and I don't know, I like it. Some people, they think it's too much. I think I like it. But then my wife think I'm a poser. So to any posers out there like me, we love it. Let me go inside real quick. You can check out the inside interior to kind of get an idea. What do you get when you go Shelby Baja? Okay, first and foremost, carbon fiber for days, as you can see. Now, this truck though, we ordered it a little more special than normal Shelby Baja Raptors. And what I meant by that is that when you see other videos, you're gonna see the gear shifter not being carbon fiber, and of course, if you come to the side, you can order these with the stock Raptors, also with the gear shifter as well. But here's the thing, I don't know why a lot of Shelby Baja Raptors in dealerships don't have carbon fiber. Well, we ordered it with carbon fiber. So basically carbon fiber sides and also carbon fiber gear shifter. I just think it goes really nicely with the carbon fiber dashes, and panels that comes with this truck. So here are the carbon fiber pieces here. Of course, this one, we ordered that. Actual door handle, carbon fiber. The air vents, carbon fiber. The actual, I don't know what you call this thing, but anyway, it's I guess the gauge cluster cover, carbon fiber. Now here is also carbon fiber, steering wheel details. You come to the front of the infotainment systems, also carbon fiber vents, as you can see. And of course, carbon fiber lid here. I'll zoom the other way real quick. Also the other side, carbon fiber door as well. Nice thing here is also carbon fiber signature Raptor Shelby plaque with the actual serial number, that also in carbon fiber. On the stock Raptor, you can get carbon fiber option like this, but it's not going to come fully carbon like this. But I'm saying that you that part right there of the actual serial number right there, you can get carbon fiber as well, but it's not going to have the Shelby plaque, Okay, what else? Of course, all the lighting, like light bar and the front and back and all that kind of stuff is, is already fully hooked up to these auxiliary buttons already. Let me open the back. There's some of my gear in here, but as you can see, these carbon fiber vents back here as well, which you will not get in a stock Raptor. Carbon fiber side door handle on the right with the side there, which is, that's what I was talking about right there. That you won't get that in most Shelby Raptor. I don't know why they don't order that. I don't know why, but same thing on this side. Very nice. Even this window button is carbon fiber. Okay. So these are the standard features for the Raptor. To the left are the actual custom features from the Shelby. So you can see it's quite a bit long. So you might have to pause the video and go over it. You know, like I said, this is a quick impression. And you get the floor mats. Also, of course, says Shelby Raptor. I don't want to know where I'm going to put this, to be honest with you. I haven't figured that out. All right, close that. Of course, you get the nice metal high performance pedals, which make you go very fast. That probably add like an extra 10 horsepower. I'm joking. Oh, wait. Of course, more badging, which is now the center console plaque of Shelby Raptor. Same thing with the seats. Hey, if you're gonna be a poser, go all the way, right? That's it. Same thing in the front. This goes down, the floor goes down and up automatically. I think it's a very sharp looking truck. I mean, this truck is too cool, man. At the end of the day, if you're gonna go all out, you know, and you get the light bar up there. We'll do a full review of this truck. Again, this is just a quick impression of what do you get when you order a Shelby Raptor. Now, here's the question for you guys. Do you think this is worth it? You know, some people on the forum, it's controversial because they're like, well, you know, I can put all this myself, save a bunch of money. This is MSRP at 117, guys. The way I look at it, though, in my opinion, of course, if you put any money into a truck, more than likely you're not going to ever get it back, you know. So we went with the Shelby Raptor, the Baja edition, and the main reason is because at least it'll retain its value a little better. There's a limited amount that they make on this truck. So let me know what you think. What's your comment? Get some comments down there. You know, will you buy this truck, or would you rather get a regular Raptor and soup it up and customize it yourself? You probably save some money, I would think. But if you want a full-on Shelby with the plaque, and you know, I say this is the way to go. That's just my opinion. But let's hear what your thoughts are. You know, comment. I read all the comments, just so you know. I read all of it and I'll reply, you know. All right, that's a quick impression of the actual 2019 Raptor Shelby Baja edition. Can't talk. So what do you think? I mean, would you get this truck, or would you get a regular Raptor and customize it yourself? You know, and on the forums, there's a lot of debate going on about, oh, you know, it's too expensive, da da da. I love it. I think it's great having a Shelby Raptor, you know, Baja edition, because at the end of the day, it will probably retain its value better. That's just my opinion. Our last Raptor we sold, we kind of had equity. It's pretty awesome, even after putting 13,000 miles on it. But I like it this way. You know, I'm not the kind of guy that like to soup things up, you know, and customize too much. But what do you think? You know, let me know in the comments down below. I read all the comments. Hit like and subscribe. There's going to be more videos on this truck, a little more thorough review on this truck. This is a quick impression. That's all, you know, we're just doing, having fun with it. Anyway, don't forget to comment. I read every comment. So I read every comments that down there, you know. Also thinking about maybe doing a little bit of drawing soon. And if you're ever in town in Vegas, then maybe you can come and take a ride with me and we could film your reaction. Things like that, you know. Anyways, Pony Diamond, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I'm out.